This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 27 RVUSA is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, oven, microwave, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, slide-out, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 27 RVUSA is 7,075 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.